6U Wall Mount Rack. This 6U 35 cm deep wall mounting bracket has an open frame, two-post design with a maximum mounting depth of 35 cm, 13.78 in, and a maximum weight capacity of 19.9 kilograms. Easy to install. The 6U wall mounting bracket ships fully assembled and comes complete with M6 screws and M6 cage nuts for easier installation, to save you the hassle of sourcing separate mounting hardware. Cold-rolled steel construction. Made of sturdy cold-rolled steel, you can rely on this mounting bracket to keep your network equipment safe and sound. This bracket is perfect in areas where space is at a premium. Optimize storage space. The 6U wall mounting bracket delivers a dependable equipment storage option, allowing you to wall mount equipment for a more efficient and accessible operating environment. Top reviews from the United States. Great purchase. I purchased this with the 1U rack, a power supply, cable management, 24-port CAT panel, 24-PO switch, and 2 modem lines into one, Peplink, for my home network. That rack holds my 2 DSL modems, Unifi Dream Machine, not Pro, my Pi 4 with 2 external hard drives. Well worth the money. I had to put the support brace on the bottom and flip it around to make use of all my space. Honestly, I don't think the brace is even needed, but that's what I did to not have floating pieces and get the full use.